Hi everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. On Tuesday 31st of July, let's look at dollar yen, which is ticked higher today. We've had the Bank of Japan. It seems as though as the market is responding increasingly to this decision, it's going yen negative. Yen yields, yen yields, JGB yields pulling back. Look at that move to the downside on the 10-year, unwinding pretty much all of that move higher on the speculation last sort of week or so, and it's had an unwind of that move, and subsequently the yen is struggling today as this move continues. 40 pips down on the day against the dollar. The dollar is sort of starting to turn a touch very slightly weaker against the forex majors. So generally speaking, the yen is weaker against the majors, and so subsequently we're starting to see a little bit of traction. If you get a closing break above 11.40 on the dollar yen, that would suggest that we're starting to get some traction in recovery. The RSI ticking higher, MACD lines possibly bottoming, stochastics possibly bottoming. If the Fed is still maintaining on its current normalization path of tightening, then you could start to see this this dollar yen starting to gain some traction to the upside. You can see here on the hourly chart there is a base pattern of process. 11.55, I suppose you sort of do that to confirm the base breakout, but you'd need to see probably more, maybe the RSI above 70 on the hourly. MACD lines have ticked higher, stochastics ticked higher, but you probably need to see some consistent traction in that move above 11.55. That would open 12.20, which is sort of the next real resistance of overhead supply. You could also argue you start to sort of complete base territory. 1060 measured up to 1150 area, sort of 90 pips. That sort of takes you up towards this 1220 area anyway. So just an unwinding move and a sort of renewed sort of positive move. But as I said, a close above those levels, 11.55. That would probably be your trigger today for gains in dollar yen. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.